Hello, today I'm going to present you a short video about the traffic signs in Germany, and today's topic is about the danger signs. Danger signs are shaped triangular with a red border. You have to remember that an increased attentiveness is a must at danger signs. In addition, speed must be reduced in view of the dangerous situation. One must also be ready to brake in most cases. Outside build-up areas, you will generally see these signs 150 to 250 meters in front of the place of danger. If the distance is considerably less than this, it may be indicated on additional sign, only another 100 meters to the place of danger. The first one is the danger. This is posted before dangerous areas. Example, construction site. The next one, crossroads, indicates an intersection or junction that is hard to see, or an intersection that is not expected. Single curve indicates a single curve in its direction. You will see to the left or to the right. Double curve indicates a double curve in its directions. Dangerous downgrade indicates degree of downgrade, posted before steep downgrades. It is also important that in traffic signs reading, there is a rule that the signs are always read from left to right. If you remember this rule, then it will be easy for you to read what the traffic sign is meant for and what it is trying to tell you. Dangerous upgrade, posted before steep upgrades, indicates degree of upgrade. Rough road indicates uneven stretches of road. Slippery road indicates stretches of road that may be slippery when wet or dirty. Side wind, drop your speed. You must reckon with gusts of wind and be prepared to countersteer. Avoid overtaking. Carriageway gets narrower. Approach with caution. Watch out for oncoming traffic and allow the oncoming traffic to leave the narrow stretch of road first. Do not overtake. A carriageway which narrows on one side only. Oncoming traffic must be given priority. If a lane ends, the zipper feed-in method must be followed. Roadworks. Drive carefully. Watch out for construction material and workers on the road. There is often also a danger of skidding or slipping due to muddy or uneven road. Traffic jam. When approaching a traffic jam, use the hazard warning lights. Oncoming traffic. This sign is located in the area where roadworks are on or at the end of an autobahn in order to draw attention to the oncoming traffic. It is also used to mark the end of a one-way street. Traffic lights announces a crossroads, junction, or pelican crossing controlled by traffic lights or a single system before you come to roadworks. Pedestrians. On roads marked as one-way, heavy pedestrian traffic must be expected. Children. Danger to children must be avoided. Be extra careful. Be ready to brake if necessary and reduce your speed. Cyclists. Caution in the intersection area. Cyclists could cross your lane. Game crossing. Reduce your speed and be particularly careful. Dipping your headlights if you encounter a wild animal on the road. Do not. I hope this video would be helpful to help you get your driving license in Germany as soon as possible. If you like the video, please like it, and also please subscribe to my channel. Your subscription and support motivates us to make further videos like this one.